Ladies and gentlemen, this is Sharan Shagun reporting live from near Munnar in Idukki district of Kerala. What you see behind us is the entrance to the Eravikulam National Park, the home and sanctuary to the rare and endangered Tahir and Neelkuranji species. We came here yesterday. We found out that the park is closed.
It's closed because of the calving season, it seems. It's when the goats breed.
The young ones of which species is called calves?
Cows.
And the young one of a mountain goat is called what?
Kid.
So, is it the calving season? Good morning. Getting ready and set. It's 9:02. Leaving from Munnar. That is Club Mahindra in Munnar. We are packed and ready to go. Bike is warm enough now, and we are headed to Coorg. We are headed to Madikeri. It's a long ride. It's a 12-hour ride, 460 kilometers. Are you ready? ओके लेट्स गो। देखिए ये है लॉकहार्ट एस्टेट। यहाँ हमने कल पत्थर पर बैठकर ब्रेकफास्ट किया। खूबसूरत जगह है ये। यहाँ पर आप 25 रुपए की टिकट लेकर अंदर जा सकते हो। सीरियसली मैन, मुन्नार इज सो ब्यूटीफुल। Muthirappuzhar, I don't know how to pronounce it in Tamil. Muthirappuzhar. There are two more rivers, Kundala and Nallathani. So the three of them come together in Munnar to become 3R, Munnar, 3 rivers, yeah. And we are in Munnar town already. There it is, the Anamudi mountain peak. वहाँ पर Munnar town दिख रहा है। आखिरी बार उसको बाय बोल देते हैं, मतलब इस ट्रिप के लिए आखिरी बार। Once we have passed this valley, we'll be heading into the Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary, जहाँ पर we have heard कि रास्ते के दोनों साइड सिर्फ sandalwood trees है।
I can't wait to get there. I want this also, then I want that.
Howrat. Okay, Munnar. Okay, Anamudi, who is hiding behind clouds today. We'll see you next time. Abhi ke liye alvida. Just wondering, could this be sandalwood? Could this be firewood? We'll never know. I don't care if we reach Coorg after midnight.
There was sandalwood, now we have to try the jaggery. Carry so much on the bike.
GR Spice, Marayur Taste of Legacy. Hi, we want to try jaggery. Thank you. We got some spices and we are good to go. Just got a gift pack because it's lightweight and easy to carry. We've spent too much time in Kerala already, eating jaggery and checking out sandalwood trees and looking at the tea estates and drinking tea. We're just useless, man. So late we are. Karimutti Falls, Karimutti Bridge.
Leaving Munnar was quite an emotionally taxing endeavor for us. Although we had spent just 2 nights and a day here, the colors, the fragrances, the sounds and tastes were all imprinted in our hearts for a lifetime or more. And yet, we couldn't get enough of it. That's one drawback of being a traveler. If ever there was one, you can never ever have enough before you must load up and leave again.
First, I want to show you how high we are. So, see this. And now I want to show you how beautiful this is. Mountains, mountains as far as the eye can see. It's so cute, man. So cute, you guys are so cute and black face. Annamalai Tiger Reserve, Tirupur Division welcomes you. Tiger Reserve, here we come, and get out quickly. Wow, this is gorgeous. These look like forest people. This road is really just very beautiful. We are passing through Udumalai and Google Maps says there is some road closure. The highway is closed on the Tirupur side, so it's diverted us and it's taking us through Coimbatore to Metupalayam, Kunur, Ooty, Masinagudi and Bandipur, then towards Mysuru and Madikeri. Want us to be in Masinagudi and Bandipur after sunset, so we have to hurry. Petrol tha? Okay. You know why I'm hurrying, why we're rushing? Because I have seen in some video, I think, that Masinagudi, the Tiger Reserve, they don't let you enter after a certain point. You know, sunset ke baad, they don't let you pass through. You're in fabulous Metupalayam. Paradise Bakery at the corner. Ananda Bhavan Sweets and Cakes on the other corner.
Hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by. A thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden.
This is the town of Vagamandalam. Ooty 2 kilometers. Welcome to the Queen of Hill Stations.
And I've come out here to say,
As the golden hour approached, we were in the lovely town of Ooty. Sadly, the sky was all overcast and gloomy, probably a reflection of our mood, knowing that we couldn't spend much time in this beautiful hilltop heaven.
Where are we? I'm not your friend. Full name bolo. Are full name bolo? Udagamandalam.
It's a very interesting day in terms of meals actually.
Yeah.
Breakfast in Kerala, high coffee in Tamil Nadu, and we'll now have dinner in Karnataka.
Yeah, man. 3 states and how many wildlife sanctuaries? I don't know how many national parks. There was Chinnar, there was Eravikulam, then there was Annamalai, and now we'll pass through Bandipur and Dodabetta. Yeah, and we have climbed up and down 2 mountains. Abhi Nilgiris cross karenge, then we'll be in Mysore.
it all gets. And I've come out here to say that I love.
Man, look at the size of those trees. Wow. It is 7:20 in the evening and so pitch dark. Ooty to Gudalur, we've crossed the Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. They didn't let us into the Masinagudi Reserve. मतलब वो road से जाने नहीं दिया. So we were diverted here towards Gudalur. I was asking this gentleman here at the restaurant. He said that 8:30 they close the Bandipur route to Mysore. It is now 8 o'clock. So if we get there on time, they'll let us through. Otherwise, we'll have to come back 5 kilometers and take the Sultan Bathery route. So let's rush to Mysore. It's a good road. We're passing through the Bandipur Tiger Reserve now. So we have to get in before 8:30 and get out before 9:30. In 1 hour we have to get out. He just came back and told us, that man said, don't stop, it's a tiger reserve. The animals keep coming to the road for in search of water. But nothing to worry about, Shagun.
I am anyway not worried.
Okay, good. We are now headed towards the village of Bandipur, and it's a dense forest. It's crazy. It's only 8:30, so it's just the darkness that is scary, but otherwise safe hai. We can pass through here. We can get there before 9:30. Thank you. Visit again Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. Yay! 8:42. आधा घंटे में खत्म यार. Ari Gowder Bridge 1939. Wow, old bridge यार. Pre-World War bridge. Welcome to Karnataka state. Bandipur is 8 kilometers away. Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. Time right now is 12:01 a.m. We're proper in the jungle right now. Getting the chills now. Look at that. We're going over the Kaveri. 15 hours, 30 minutes, 505 kilometers.
3 states.
3 states. And so many wildlife sanctuaries and a million cups of coffee.
Riding through those.
हनुमान चालीसा कितनी बार पढ़ा वो बता पहले.
ये फिर भी कुछ नहीं, जो अपना जिम कॉर्बेट में हुआ था.
हाँ नहीं, बट अपन है ही ऐसे, अपने को ना जरूरत है इसकी. जो
नहीं तो अपनी ड्रीम नॉर्मल नहीं होती.
10 hours, 12 hours भी नहीं, 11 hours में ख़त्म कर सकते थे. We took 15 hours for that.
We wanted jaggery, we wanted sandalwood, we wanted
Everything. मुनार का चाय, ये वो पहाड़ वादियों को देख के वाह करना है, वो सब में हमने 4.5 घंटे बर्बाद किए. बाकी कल. बाय बाय.